Imagine having a home theater without spending $1,000. No extra stick, no complicated setup. Just plug it in, open Netflix, and boom, cinematic experience. Today, we're testing the HAPPRUN 510G Google TV Projector, one of the most talked about budget smart projectors in 2025. If you're thinking about buying a projector, hit like now, it really helps. And if you want more honest reviews like this, subscribe to the channel. The product link is in the description with current pricing and real customer feedback. So, is this the best budget Google TV projector in 2025? Let's find out. What's inside the box? A sleek, compact black projector, lightweight at just 2 kilograms. Comes with an HDMI cable, power adapter, remote control with a dedicated Google Assistant button, and even a lens cleaning kit. Something you don't always expect at this price. Nothing fancy, but everything you need. No surprises. And the design? Clean, modern, and perfect for desktop, tripod, or ceiling mount. Here's what makes this projector special. It runs official Google TV, no external device needed. That means you can open Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, Hulu, YouTube, all right from the projector itself. No Chromecast, no Fire Stick, no Apple TV. And thanks to the built-in Google Assistant, just press the mic button and say, play Stranger Things on Netflix, or turn down the volume, or even, what's the weather today? It's fast, simple, and eliminates the hassle of juggling multiple remotes. This isn't just a projector, it's a full entertainment hub. Now let's talk image quality. The native resolution is Full HD, 1920 by 1080. Not true 4K, but the upscaling is solid. In dark rooms, the results are excellent. High contrast ratio, 20,000 to 1, vibrant colors, sharp details. With support for HDR10+, shadows are deep and highlights are natural. Brightness is rated at 350 ANSI lumens, which is enough for indoor use but not ideal in bright daylight. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or outdoor movie nights after sunset. And with a minimum throw distance of just 1.67 meters, you can get a massive 300-inch screen. That's serious immersion. And the sound? Many budget projectors have terrible audio, but the HAPPRUN 510G has a 5-watt built-in speaker with Dolby Sound support. The result is surprisingly good. Deep bass, clear vocals, balanced highs. For casual viewing, it's more than enough. Plus, it features Bluetooth 5.2, so you can connect wireless headphones, earbuds, or even a premium soundbar. Great for late-night movies without waking anyone up. This projector is super versatile. It has HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 6, and all works smoothly. Connect your PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Play games, stream content, or give presentations, all on a giant screen. And thanks to Wi-Fi 6, streaming in 1080p is buttery smooth. No buffering, no disconnects. Your phone? Use Google Cast or Bluetooth. Instant connection. It's plug-and-play simplicity at its best. Now, let's be real. It's not perfect. The 350 lumen brightness won't cut it in bright rooms. You'll lose image quality during the day. And while it's marketed as 4K, it's actually Full HD only. No native 4K input. So if you're after true 4K, you'll need a different model. Also, the built-in speaker is great for casual use, but for audiophiles, a separate sound system still beats it. But again, for under $250, these trade-offs are totally fair. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a smart projector with Google TV built in, easy setup, great image, decent sound, and everything included, yes, the HAPPRUN 510G is one of the best value picks in the budget segment for 2025. It removes the need for extra devices, delivers a true home theater experience, and does it all for less than $250. If you want cinema at home without the headache, this one delivers. If this review helped you decide, hit like. It supports the channel. And if you want more honest, no-fluff reviews like this, subscribe to the channel. We test real products you can actually buy. The product link is in the description, with live pricing and verified customer reviews. See you in the next one.